Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I decorated for fall from the dollar store. So I'm going to be showing you different DIY things that I did and made for my house, and most of them are only like $2 or $3 a piece. So you could do all of them or a couple and it would be very, very affordable for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go take a tour of my house, and then I will show you how I made everything. All right, so on my front door, you see the wreath, and this is one of my favorite things that I made from the dollar store. And I was roaming around and found a Christmas wreath, and I decided that I was going to spray paint that a brown color. I have this dark walnut spray paint. I wanted to spray paint it brown so that if the stuff showed behind the leaves that I'm about to put on, then it wouldn't be a big deal. So then I saw these stemmed like bushes of leaves basically, and I just decided to cut them off. And I like these because they're not completely flat. They have a little bit of character to them. If you could find leaves that are on the ground or whatever by your house, then that would be even more authentic and look beautiful because it's actually like real leaves, you know? But I live in South Carolina and we don't have many leaves falling right now. They're barely starting to change. So if you have any fall leaves around your house, just use those. So all I did was spray paint that. Once it was dry, I took it inside and grabbed my hot glue gun. And I used that a lot in this video because it just works so well. So I got mine really, really cheap at Michael's, and I just glued leaves to it. That's basically all I did. And it was really easy, self-explanatory. Do whatever you want. You can make them show more or less of the brown underneath. And then also I got this burlap ribbon that's like a chevron white and, you know, that burlap material. And I just took that and tied a loop on the wreath so that I could hang it on my door. I used a command strip hook and just hung it up on the front of my door. And I really love it. It's like a $3 wreath. So the next thing is these leaves that are hanging above Luna's cage / our side table. And I love these, you guys. So I got 3 trays of these like leaves. I don't know what they're usually supposed to be used for. So I used these, and so I got 3 of them, and they are individual. So this one's a little bit more pricey, I guess. It's like $4 in total because again, I used that burlap ribbon, and this one's really, really easy. Again, I used my hot glue gun, and I just took the ribbon and made a loop with it and just glued it onto the back of this. Super self-explanatory and easy. I did that 3 times, and then I decided to hang them vertically in a row above her cage, and I just think it looks like a nice cozy little corner there, and it's adorable. So yeah, you could also obviously hang these horizontally in a room, and that would look great as well. So then the next thing I did was spray paint these styrofoam pumpkins. So gold pumpkins are really, really big. I feel like at Target or Hobby Lobby or whatever, but they can be really, really pricey, at least like anywhere from $10 to $20, $25, even more, you know? So I found these, and obviously they're not gonna look as smooth and beautiful as some of those like ceramic-y ones, but they get the job done. I think they're really pretty. So these are bigger pumpkins, and obviously they were $1 a piece. I have gold spray paint laying around because I love to spray paint everything. And then I just set them in the center of my table on the runner that I have there. Then I did this vase that is one of those tall, clear vases, and I couldn't find it at my dollar store this time, but I had one laying around that I thought I would use for this. And again, took my hot glue gun, and I grabbed a pack of 50 leaves. So what I did was I took a leaf and I would just hot glue it onto the vase, and I wanted the bottom to like have leaves going through it. And then all I did, so I just kept doing that until I got it how I wanted it. You could obviously go all the way up the vase if you want, but I think it looks cute, just the like bottom half of it. And then I put a candle inside of the vase. You can obviously get a tall candle or whatever, but I just had this one laying around, stuck it inside of it, and when you light it, it like makes the leaves glow this really pretty orange color, and I think it looks stunning. So that would be like $2, maybe $3 if you got a candle. So again, another really cheap option, and I think if you did a couple of these in like as a centerpiece for a dining room table, that would be beautiful. Then my last favorite thing that I have is the sign, and I love this so much. The sign itself was a red sparkly color, and I wasn't really a fan. I feel like it just looked kind of tacky. So I grabbed that and decided to spray paint it, you know. So seriously though, spray paint is your best friend when it comes to dollar store things or just any DIY. And then I took these ABC signs that are kind of like borders for teachers, flipped that over so it was just a blank side, and took a bristle brush, and then I had black paint, acrylic paint as well, and those are like 77 cents or something at Hobby Lobby. I just took that and I would like dip my brush in and very lightly brush it against the page. And you want to use the smallest amount of paint, the smallest amount of pressure. And like in certain sections, I would put a little bit more pressure just so it looks kind of like wood grain / distressed look. And then all I did was stack 3 of those on top of each other to make it look almost like shiplap or just like wood board signs. But then I just hot glued the sign onto it, and then I got command strips and just hung up the sign with command strips. Also, if you might want to put something in the back of it just to hold it better, or put command strips all over it, because mine did fall down, but it will stay up if you have enough command strips up. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these tips and everything. I love how my fall decor came out, and I think it's so amazing that you can get such cute things from the dollar store and just make them yourself, and that you don't have to spend a ton of money on fall stuff. And if you're like me in an apartment where I don't have a lot of space to store things, I won't feel bad if I, like, you know, donate these or throw them away or whatever. I can repurpose things as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye guys.